one is list dot pop. The sixth one is list dot remove. So these are the methods. So we have some more methods in this, and the seventh one is list dot groups. Eighth one is list dot sort. So now we will check these methods one by one. The first one is list dot append. What's the first one is list dot append? So it is used to append the values to a list. So let us consider the student roll number is a list. Student roll. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And what we are going to do now, we need to append the another number with the 8. So let us consider student roll is it dot append of 8. So now print student roll so the value of 8 is appended. So one thing you have to know that the what is the difference between an append and an insert? So you need to know a difference. So what is the difference between an append and append is used to insert the value in a list, but insert is used to include the values in a list at specific location, at specific indexes, index or location. So that is a major difference between an append and insert. Next, we'll see about the count. So we'll see list dot insert the index value, comma x. So here the x is nothing but a value, which what the value you are going to insert. So by insert method, inserts the element at the specified index in the list. So we have seen already the student roll number, so which is equals to 234 and 235. Hello. So welcome back. So 2, 3, 6. So now student role dot insert. So I need to insert at the starting of this list one 0, 1, 2, 3. So now print student role. So this is the here in the insert. What I have this specified here in the insert method, it inserts the element in the at the specific index in the list at the specific location. So this is a so that's the end of this session. In the afternoon session, we will continue with the next topics. And one more thing. So you are going to have an assessment on the Kahoot. So these things will be these details of this quizzes will be set through either in the WhatsApp group. So you follow regularly, and you have to.
Hello.
You have to write the assessments carefully, and every assessment is important for you. So, Mr. Nasima,
Sir.
Give instructions to them how to write the. What is the next thing to go on? How to write the quiz? Okay.
Yes, sir. Then all of you log into Canvas account, and then in the assessment page you can get a day 1 Kahoot quiz 1 is the assessment, and then go through it and take the exam. Click here to. 1 second, I am sharing. Sir, can you please stop sharing? Yes. Go to your Canvas account and then click on assignments. Right? Then you can get day 1 Kahoot quiz 1. Just go through it. Right. Here you will get click here to get day 1 Kahoot quiz 1. Just open that, and then you will get play Kahoot area. Yes. Here join the game. Here the nickname is your roll number. Please make sure your nickname is your roll number, and then okay, go. And then we'll start the exam. At the end of the, after completion of exam, take the screenshot of a particular score. Then you need to upload in this Canvas as an image. You can get a file upload here. Right? You can upload the file, image file to this Canvas account. And then the exam will starts now within 15 minutes. Right? The exam will be available until the 1 o'clock. You need to complete, make sure that you need to complete that assignment and upload the image right below the 1 o'clock one.
Nasima?
Yes, sir.
Please give the instructions related to how they are going to upload the image. What it is going to get. Final result of the image, where it is going to get.
Yes, yes.
Because of they are new to this Kahoot and Canvas.
Yes, sir. After completion of exam, they will get directly the scorecard, where the position is and scorecard. Just to take the screenshot of scorecard. That's it.
I think everyone got these instructions, and please follow these instructions while writing the assignment and while writing the quizzes. So if any doubts or any queries related to the sessions or to the assessments and assignments, so please contact Narasimha or me. So we'll resolve those problems and we'll clarify your questions. Thank you. Can you please ask any queries? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sure.
Exam will already started, sir. Now I published that quiz, and then it will open until the 1 o'clock. Before 1 o'clock, they need to complete. 10 minutes. Yes, only 10.